is Echo Eshen, and thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I want you to decide how much money you want right now as you watch this video. How much money do you want in the next 1 year? How much money do you want in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years? How much money do you want to make at the end of every month? Okay, I want you to decide right now. And if you can decide that amount of money, because you have been complaining every day about money, okay, and you are always talking about certain things that you have not been able to do because your salary or your income is not enough. So I want you right now to decide that you want to earn $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 every month. I want you to decide right now. Or you want to earn $100,000, $200,000 at the end of this year. I want you to write it right now. And if you can write it right now on a sheet of paper or in your book right now, in your diary somewhere, then I want you to write, what can I do to attract this kind of amount of money? You see, it is only in Africa that we believe that in order to be successful, you have to pray to be successful. It is only in Africa that we believe that in order to attract money, you have to pray so that you can attract money. It is not true. It is not true. You have right now everything it takes to become successful. You have in you all the qualities that is in you. Everything that you need is available in you. Now, if you have written down that amount of money, what I want you to do right now is that I want you to decide that what price are you going to pay? When I talk about the price, what skill are you going to learn to attract that amount of money? You have to go to school to further your education. You have to go to school and pursue your masters so that you can be able to attract that kind of amount of money. So what price are you going to pay the next 6 months, the next 1 year? What are you going to do new? What new thing are you going to do so that you can attract that kind of amount of money? Because in life, you'll be paid based on the value you bring at the market. If you don't have anything to offer people, if you don't have any value to give to people, there is no way people are going to mind you. There is no way people are going to give you their money. So what new thing can you do? What value can you add to yourself? What skill? What is it that you can do so that you can attract that kind of amount of money? I want you to think right now and write it down and go and further your studies and go and learn that skill. Begin to do new things. Step out of that comfort zone. You've been in that comfort zone for so long, but it's time you step out from that comfort zone and go to the place that God has destiny for you. You can become anything on this earth. You can be successful because success is already in you. If you are going to apply these principles, you are going to see the glory and you are going to see the hand of the Lord in your life. My name is Echo Eshen. I want you to subscribe to this channel and please don't forget to share this video and comment below.